Good afternoon. Welcome to 2023 and a new surprise here for us today. Just landing minutes ago. This is going to be a North American debut for this particular model as it's the very first run of 22 SEs from Freedom Express. This is going to be an amazing selling family coach we feel for us. Just a great first trailer for so many families, as well as those who may be moving up from something a little smaller, perhaps a tent trailer, perhaps a hybrid, or perhaps a smaller single axle trailer. So this particular layout, some of the main features here, we've got tandem axles, we've got no slide out, so again, simplicity, but it is feature loaded. We have 175 watts of standard solar on the roof. I shouldn't say standard, option solar here on the roof. We do have a power tongue jack here on this particular unit, spare tire up front. It is a Murphy bed unit at the front with a full 60 by 80 queen bed. So you can choose to leave that bed down all the time, but you'll also have the option to put out the couch. Many Murphy bed designs, you lose storage. Here you do not. Full storage right across the front. Easy access lippert steps, especially for kids or those who are a bit older. You've got your dinette on your door side, which campers absolutely love. You're looking onto your campsite. Look at the length of the awning, right to the very back and right to the very front. So maximizing awning space. Huge window here at the dinette, looking onto your campsite for maximum airflow. And look at the trunk storage here. Absolutely massive. You just have all the room in the world for everything you want to bring, chairs, tables, your outdoor grill, all that. We've got outside entertainment here with 2 speakers. As we head inside for a quick tour, and we'll do a more in-depth one as we return from the Ottawa Spring RV Show next week. We've got our Murphy bed up front here, storage again underneath. Again, full queen. We've got wardrobes both sides, so we lose no storage there with these wonderful Murphy design. Full 81-inch height ceilings here, but still keeping the weight down to under 4,300 pounds. So they've just done a great job of maximizing features, but keeping weight in mind. A wonderful kitchen here, massive sink, just a ton of storage. Everywhere they can put storage in this layout, they really have. You've got a movable table you can take outside, so you don't even have to bring a table if you don't want to, as it's not fixed. We've got entertainment built right inside with our television on board. Again, maximum cabinets right to the very door here. We've got an oversized AC with a 15,000 BTU AC, oversized bunks, an extra large 10 cubic foot 12 volt fridge. Works very well with the solar to help you sustain yourself on the road. Bunks the kids will never outgrow. Windows in both with blackout shades, and a wonderful 3-piece bath that on the road is always going to be accessible because you don't have a slide out in the way here. And we've got a very high-rise toilet here, which anybody who's a bit taller is going to appreciate. This is a brand new design, as I said, just landed. This is a North American debut. As I do a quick search today, there is no specs, no pictures, and no video of this particular unit. And that's why we quickly wanted to get something out to our viewers here. And those that may want to book an appointment this week, we have 2 to offer. I don't know how many we'll have going into the spring. So this is sort of the opportunity, not only to be able to get your first or your next trailer, but also to be able to start to book your sites. So I myself just booked sites in our provincial park system here in Canada for the second week of July. So July is opening up, things are running out, so now is definitely the time, guys. If you are in the Ottawa area, certainly come down, come see us at the Ottawa Spring RV Show this weekend, and we'll look forward to having some more details on this particular unit next week.